Back in 1982, I got to do something that was truly only a dream. I got to tour the Ferrari factory. So in our rearview mirror, we're going to go back and look at the days when the Ferrari 308 was rolling off the assembly line.
It has a top speed of nearly 150 miles an hour. With 205 horsepower, it leaves most cars with only a view of the taillights. And whether on a city street in America or the test track in Italy, it epitomizes what most people think of in a sports car. It's a Ferrari. Maranello, Italy, a small town in the northern section of the country, home to Lambrusco wine and the Ferrari legend. The legend begins on the design board, with factory engineers constantly working to perfect each part just a little bit more. But the main work is done on the production line, a slow but sure process.
We manufacture only 11 cars per day, and in 4 different models. So we have to build the cars one per one. But we have also to use the maximum of the automatic and up-to-date machinery.
From beginning to end, it takes 3 months to build a Ferrari 308, 4 months for the more advanced 512 or 400 models. GM, for example, takes less than 3 weeks to build their average car. It's not only a different style of building, though, it's a whole different philosophy, all starting with a factory racing program.
We don't race for publicity reasons, for promotional reasons, for advertising. We race because that is our first aim, our first way of working. And then we manufacture cars.
But that desire to win carries over to the production line.
People who work in Ferrari feel like being in a very large family, in a very large team. And so the cooperation and the feeling of being a racing team is very helpful to reach the quality level and I would say the results.
The cars are finally tuned for 2 days before they ever see the test track, and each is tested at more than 120 miles an hour. As for who buys them, well, 40% of all Ferraris end up in the United States, and 1/3 of those are shipped to Los Angeles.
I would say that the only thing that we know really about our customers is that they have a lot of money.
Of course, all this carries a pretty hefty price tag, nearly $60,000 in the United States these days. But then it puts you into a pretty exclusive club. You own a Ferrari. Reporting from Maranello, Italy, Rick DeBrule, TV 12 Action News.